Hi, I'm David from TPAS Cymru, and I just wanted to let you know that the countdown is on for our National Tenant Engagement Conference coming up next month. Now, there are only limited places available now, so do get your bookings in before the closing date in a couple of weeks' time, because we've lined up some great speakers, plus over 20 different workshop sessions covering all the big issues in housing, like WHQS 2023, which is all about standards for every social housing home in Wales. We'll be looking at building safety, we'll be looking at setting affordable rents with your tenants, we'll be looking at complaints, and we've got the Public Service Ombudsman for Wales coming to talk about that. We'll be looking at repair services and what makes a great repair service for tenants. Plus, we've got loads of practical sessions to do with tenant and community engagement out there. Plus, we've got over 20 delegates from over 30 different organisations coming along, so you're bound to get some ideas and network and meet new people from right across Wales. So if you've got an interest in social housing, an interest in tenant engagement, make sure you're part of this national event, because we'd love to see you there.